Hello, this is Dr. Bhushan Shanbhag. In today's video, we are going to see how does Nifty move the next day after a big move. That is, today Nifty has moved big. What can we expect tomorrow? Okay. Now, if today's open to today's high, now note it, I'm not talking of today's close. Okay. If today's open to today's high is more than 2%, then 98.5 times tomorrow's open will be lower than today's close. Actually, when such a big move is there, we have a tendency to keep futures open, long futures, or keep long calls open. But almost all the times, 98.5% times, tomorrow's open will be lower than today's close. So it's better that at the time of today's close, just very close to it, better square off the long positions if today market has moved already by 2% from the opening price, not yesterday's close, opening price. Okay. If today's open to high is more than 1%, still 90% of times tomorrow's open is going to be lower than today's close. Now 2% move is rare, but 1% move is much more common. So what we have to keep in mind, if today it goes 1% up from today's open, okay, then tomorrow's open is likely to be lower than today's close 90% of time. Don't keep your long positions open overnight. Tomorrow you can open it again at the lower price. Now let us see the other side. Even other side, if the same thing is true, if today's open to low is more than 2%, if Nifty has fallen by 2% in one day, then 98% times tomorrow's open will be higher than today's close. Don't keep the short positions open. Don't keep naked puts open. Okay. As such, naked puts keeping open, probability of profit on the next day's opening is very less. Anyway, we are going to see that in the separate video. But here 98%, that means almost every time, if there is a 2% move, Nifty is going to open up next day. Right? So no, doesn't make a sense. That doesn't mean you should immediately go long, because it may just open up and then start falling. But yes, you can write out of the money put options also, and you are likely to make money in that. Okay. If today's open to today's low is more than -1%, -1 is again very common, but 91% of time tomorrow's open is going to be higher than today's close. In other words, if Nifty moves 1% up or 1% down within a day, from the day's open till day's high, or from the day's open to the day's low, don't keep that direction position open, because next day you are going to get a move in the opposite direction. Majority of the traders, if today I am making good profit, let the profits run and we hold on to the position. Yes, let the profit run is understandable, but in options, especially in options, what has been observed is if the move is on the opposite side, there is a drastic drop in the option premium. So better book profit at, say, just before the close of the day and open a fresh position depending on tomorrow's direction. Tomorrow's direction may even be reversed. Okay, it opens. Suppose there is a big long green candle, it is a bullish candle, 2% up or 1% up. Tomorrow it will open down is one thing, and it may or may not continue up. It may go down as well. So it simply doesn't make sense that if you have got a big move today, to leave the positions open for the next day. Okay, it's better that you square off the position and take a fresh position on the next day, depending on whatever will be the direction of market of Nifty on that second day. All right, so that is all basically about the big moves in Nifty. More in the next video.